artificial intelligence is currently the hottest topic, and we all know, based on the history and experience of IT sector, whenever something is new, it creates a lot of hype, it creates a lot of attraction, and a lot of things are sold out to the customers, to the potential stakeholders, to potential investors, that this would change the trajectory of the coming times, which is true. By the way, AI is really helpful. AI is doing a great, tremendous job in helping a lot of stuff. For example, what we were doing, spending a lot of time curating contracts, curating functional requirements, finding out the particular solutions or research. AI has taken over, and we don't really have to rely on our staff to do those things, and we can quickly do it. So it's not anymore it's not a human kind of labor intensive work. AI can take care of this. Well, something I would like to highlight here, after working for over a year now with AI solutions and helping clients build or incorporate AI into their systems. There were a lot of misconceptions that we had initially, and later on when we worked on it, we realized that this is not that simple and it's not there yet. So today I will tell you some important parts of what exactly AI can do, specifically in the industry that I am in, which is ERP and CRM industry. So yeah. So my name is Wahid, and I own a company called Consult to Manage. We are an authorized Zoho partner, and we are working with Zoho over a decade now. So we help multiple businesses implement Zoho and improve their Zoho improve their existing infrastructure when it comes to Zoho, and help them get the best ROI from their system. Now, coming to the topic of AI, and I will tell AI in context of what exactly my experience with AI was, and how AI basically have transformed my business and basically helped transform my client businesses as well. So first thing is very, very clear: AI is not yet there what we are being sold online and we are being told. AI is not yet there. AI can do a lot of stuff that generally was repetitive, that generally required a sense of research, specifically around functional requirement, contract gathering, contract structuring out, pay structures, privacy policies, or curating some specific code structures, But what AI is not good at is basically doing the quality checks, understanding the full context. And if you try to make it understand full context, the cost of AI goes very high. And even though if you try different tactics, like create a prompt from another system, give a proper prompt, whatever you do, at the end of the day, there is a cost that is involved in the process. It's not that simple. The thing that you trade against the cost is time. So what used to be taking a month is now taking less than a week. So that's the benefit of AI, but obviously the cost still is the same, one way or the other, and that would eventually improve as we grow or move forward in time. So AI can do things that generally requires document gathering, replying to emails, automating few workflows and automations and stuff. But what AI can't do right now is basically take decisions automatically, because when it comes to taking decisions, there are a lot of context, and human brain has a different structure. God has gifted us with a different structure which AI is not yet able to achieve. Reason being that it's a very early age for AI, and same goes for this AI bubble or AI concept in the ERP and CRM industry. When it comes to Zoho, there are a lot of things you can do with AI. For example, if you use Zoho MCP, you can connect it to the AI systems that really help you improve your processes and get to the point where you can basically extract data out of system, build reports just based on a command, which is cool, which is great. Yes, you don't have to spend a lot of time building reports on analytics. You don't have to spend time writing formulas and stuff. All you have to give it a command, and it basically pulls data. It generates reports, predictable reports. That's what AI can do. But if you tell AI to just create a new module, yes, it can do, but there is a certain requirement of coding skill. Plus, you have to be very, very careful in what you are doing with the APIs and stuff. And most importantly, AI is not yet there that you just tell AI that this is my requirement and build a system. So there is still a long way to go for AI to basically replace the consultants or the implementation partners. So and as being a company, the AI, where AI can help you is basically improve your KPIs, improve your processes, improve the documentation, and help you curate a better system. It can suggest like this is the best strategy or this is the best SOP you can implement. But if you tell AI to implement that SOP, that's where the AI lags right now. So these are some important points that you need to be very, very careful about. And if you want to learn more of how AI can really transform your ecosystem or your Zoho system or things related to your in company, we would love to help you out, because we have extensive experience working with building custom solutions that are backed by Zoho and custom databases, using AI to basically have a better user experience. So we can really help you, and we can really get you to a point where you will be in a direction that you know that this can be achieved and this can't be achieved. So if you want to learn more about what we offer, or if you think we can be a value addition to your business, so feel free. You can reach me at waheed@consult2manage.com, and you can also go to our website consult2manage.com or Zoho by c2m.com and fill up the contact us form. My team or me will be reaching out to you, and we will book a 30-minute free session, just a chit chat, nothing specific but very specific towards your business requirements, and we will discuss what exactly or how exactly AI can involve in your business and what it can do and what it can't do without basically putting your business at risk of data breaches and those kind of stuff. So if you think you like the video, if you think I added a value to your business, follow us, subscribe us, and looking forward to produce more content for you guys. Thank you.